Hello, creative souls! It's time for another exciting art adventure with Easy Peasy Art. Today we're conjuring up some Halloween magic with a glass dome masterpiece. So, grab your supplies and let's get started. Alright, begin by sketching a friendly dome-like shape. Make sure those edges are nice and round to give it a friendly vibe. And don't forget, we're adding a wooden base under the dome to serve as our canvas. Now, let's turn this into a Halloween wonderland. Start by drawing some whimsical mushrooms. Give them that classic mushroom shape with wavy borders and sturdy stems. Now add eyes and a pursed lip to one, giving it some groovy character. Right next to it, draw a big mushroom. This one's a real fun guy. Add two big eyes. An open mouth with one tooth showing. And sprinkle some dots for texture. Oh, and inside the dome, we have two friendly ghosts to join the Halloween party. To make our masterpiece even more spectacular, add a few fallen leaves here and there. And don't forget to sprinkle some sparkles to make it look whimsical and enchanting. Now comes the exciting part, coloring. Paint the dome in a lovely shade of blue. The mushrooms are sporting classic Halloween orange. And let's make those stems a vibrant greenish yellow. The flowing leaves can be your favorite fall colors. And last but not least, the wooden base rich brown to tie everything together. Oh, and a touch of white here and there to add that reflective surface feeling. And there you have it, folks. Our spooktacular glass dome is now ready to charm your Halloween festivities. I hope you had a blast following along. If you enjoyed it, please show some love by hitting that like button and subscribing for more fantastic art adventures. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, let your creativity shine bright like our glass dome. Until next time, keep creating, stay whimsical, and happy Halloween!